Basically, what this is gonna do is download Cydia. What is up, guys? CSC here. Just joking. My brother's taking a break, so I'm going to be doing it today. And today's video, we are going to be learning how to download Cydia. This works on any iOS device. But before we start, please subscribe and like the video. And let's get right into the video. First thing we're gonna do is go to Safari. Once you're in Safari, I want you guys to go to appcake.com. Once you have typed appcake.com, I want you to click the first link on the top. After you click on the website, I want you to press the 3 lines on the top right corner. Press the AppCake iOS app, and it's gonna say install AppCake. I want you to press that. Then it's gonna say install again, and press the install button. Once you've clicked that button, I want you to go to the home page, and it is going to be installed. Once it's done installing, press on the app, tap on verify. This website is trying to download a country here, and just press allow. Go to your settings. Once you're in settings, go to profile downloaded. It's gonna say install in the top right corner. I want you to press that. And now you have to put your passcode. After you put your passcode in, please press install. Everything's installed now. All you have to do is go to the app now. On the bottom, it's gonna say latest popular. I want you to go to tweaked. Press on tweaked. Then scroll down a little bit and you'll see uncover, and press get. There's gonna be a little ad, and we're just gonna have to wait patiently. After that, press X, and it's gonna be downloading. Alright, once it's done downloading, you press install and go to home page. Wait until it downloads. Once it's done downloading, press on the app. It's gonna say jailbreak. Press that. Basically, what this is gonna do is download Cydia, so press OK. And then it's gonna shut down for a little bit. After that, go put your passcode. Then, as you can see, there's Cydia, and as you can see, it works. So, and that's how you download Cydia. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Remember to like the video and dislike if you didn't like it. And TSC signing out. Bye.
That was good.
So press OK, and then it's gonna shut down for a little bit.
No, man. Let me see, what did it do? Is it showing
It was like loading.